Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am not doing a speedrun video. Today I am doing a tips and hint video where I give you tips about doing the methods you're using and stuff. For example, for those who are free-handed or those who use like the box, the grid method and that lot. So basically that's what I'm giving tips on today because that's what I'm doing, because to help you guys with your drawings and stuff. So yeah. It doesn't have to be to do with anime characters. It can also be to do with like SpongeBob. Those who want to draw SpongeBob, or it can be like Deadpool, for example. You can use this for any drawing for anything. It doesn't have to be anime characters. So chillax. This is my first tip video, so my tips and hint video. So I might be a bit shaky, not like the pro YouTubers who are doing these right now. Give credit to you, cause you're my inspiration. So yes, and if you've got any feedback through the video, make sure to comment down below, as this will help me progress my future videos that I can develop on my next tip and hint video. Also, if you guys got a question to ask me, I will answer it in the next video. I think that'd be a good thing to do, actually. I just thought of that myself, so yes. If you got a question, comment down below a question. I'll answer it in the next video. And I'll give you a shout out. I mean, pretty interesting, isn't it? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below your thoughts, comment down below. And share this video with a donkey. Because you always shared it with a dog and a cat, so you're now sharing it with a donkey. So, let's get on to this. The box technique is an easy method out of the four. The box technique is an easy method to use out of the four for those who draw anime characters, because it is simple to use and you really can't go much wrong onto this method that you other four you can. So, yes. The well-known YouTubers, Instagram or Facebook artists use this as well, so that's probably why some of you might find seeing it as familiar or thinking you know it somewhere. Then that's probably why, because you've seen it from them, and that's why they use the method. My tips for this method is choose, like for example, if you feel comfortable doing the top box, do the top box, but if you're uncomfortable doing the bottom box of it, don't do it. Just do the bit where you feel comfortable of doing, and easy way to get around it for yourself. Because if you make it difficult for yourself, then you're going to make more mistakes. And the comfort is help you draw, helps you concentrate, draw when they are comfortable. So that's my tip for that bit. Another bit is the centimeters bit. Make sure to get the right centimeters. If not, your character will look like a potato head, or they look like an ant head, which you don't really want them to look like because they will look funny. And I don't think you want to make your artwork look funny. I think you want to make your artwork go, wow. You can figure the size out. You can use a ruler. But if you're using the phone for reference, I would say use Google to help you out with the centimeters part. As there will be plenty of enough on Google. If not, I am not a fan of this because human heads are more like circle than a square, and most animal characters. This is similar to the This is similar to the box technique, but you haven't got the box with it. Instead, you have a cross in the middle for this method. Do the same thing by using the headband. But if you are uncomfortable with the box technique, then I would use this one, as this one's quite similar. Besides, you've got a cross, which will fit with the eyes and keep your face straight. Well, not your face, but I know. This class is my favourite, as you've seen on my recent videos. Use often, and it makes your hand a lot freer, makes you draw freely. Besides having the box, makes it close in, and you can't really do much with it, as you only can be centered off that kind of part of the drawing, if you get what I'm saying by that. Head out of it and draw with it, then I draw the features into my character. If you want to know what my character is, what his name is Taka, because he is inspiration from Metal Gear Solid. If you do not know what Metal Gear Solid is, it is a video game which is created in the 90s. So yeah, it's an old game, but I like it. So yes. And the character is also similar to Kishima's style, so that's my kind of style. So yes, because I really like that style. The style is my favourite. It's really comfortable, and I enjoy drawing my characters like that. In the past, I draw different characters in different style, and I end up not liking it. And really, that's how I built my style. Find a style if you're comfortable in, which is not kind of video about style, but anyway, I'm talking about it. And that's for the cross technique. I used the cross technique in my previous video, like I said before, and really, I really enjoyed it better than the box. I used the box in my Naruto video. After that, I used the cross. I thought the cross was a lot easier for me to use. But it's up to you. If you like the box, you like the box. Or you like the other methods, which I'm going to go on in a minute. That's up to you. Because at the end of the day, it's your opinion. You're comfortable which method you want to use. This is the cross and circle technique, which is an old method before the box was created. And but for me, for those who want to draw their own character, I will recommend doing that. Then drawing other people's characters, as it is a lot more difficult drawing other anime characters with that than it is when you're drawing your own character, which is my opinion. So different people will have different opinion on this. So yeah, but if you want to try it out, I will recommend it to them. This is the box and cross technique. This is a old method before the box technique method, and it is basically used for drawing your own characters. And it is drawing anime characters. As if you draw with anime characters, it'd be a lot more difficult. As when you are using this technique, you might go wrong, because if you don't know where you're starting from, then you are going to go wrong with the character itself. But for well-known people, would use it for their own characters, because you know when your facial as you know your facial precision is, and you know your character more well. So that's why you should use this technique for original character instead of an anime character. But I think some comic artists do use this as well. If you want to use this technique, like I said, the best character you could use for this is Saitama from One Punch Man, because it's bold and being a lot simpler. Or you can use other bold characters if you want to, if you haven't seen One Punch Man. If you have not seen it, I will recommend it, as it's very popular indeed. Using this technique, for tips for this is make sure to start off with the circle. Make the right face proportion for the character, and if you do it too low, it can make it look like a pointy thing, look like you got a triangle, or like you got a Dorito. Basically, do not want to make the character look like a Dorito, because otherwise you're going to start eating your own character. Digital art also done this. So basically that's for this technique. And let's get on with the final technique, the final one before we finish the video, basically. Right, free-handed, well, basically says it in the subtitle. It's basically your hand, you draw with any spot on the page, and you draw from there. Basically, that's what free-handed is. Mostly free-handed use it for realistic artists, but some artists use it for anime characters as well, which I recently seen. Because I think they're more advanced, they're more professional at drawing anime characters than those who are using the box technique, in my opinion on this. And really, the free-handed, it's very good actually. It makes your brain work with this, as you can find out the proportions and stuff. And you must be really good at doing this, because credit to you. Credit. But with the free-handed one, I would use reference, because I don't think you can't do much with it without reference. If you did not have reference with you, it would be a lot difficult to use. And reference are like your best friend. It is good to use reference, but when you use reference, make sure to do it in your own way. Otherwise, it will count as copyright, and you will get done for copywriting, and that's that. And it's same with tracing. When you trace it over, make sure to like rub things out and make them into your own style, because copyright is a bad thing, and you can go to jail with that thing and stuff. And a free-handed as well, which is the grid. The grid is similar to the free-handed one, besides you got more of a grid with it. So you can use the grid if you want to with your free-handed. That is entirely up to you, which one you feel comfortable with. I use free-handed to show people a free-handed version. But if you do want me to do like the grid method, make sure to comment down below. I will do that in future videos and stuff. For this video, there was a video before this one, which was Vegeta, but I lost skin tone colouring video of it, and that's really a bother, because I put so much effort into it, and like it just ruins it and makes you feel like, oh god, no. But any day, if you got a backup video, use that. And okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked today's tips and hints video. If so, make sure to hit the like button. And got any questions to ask for the next video? If so, comment. Don't forget to comment down below. Any questions, I will answer them in the next video. The winner will get a shout out on my YouTube channel. I will shout your social media.